never let go.
My channel, this is Miss V here. How y'all doing today? First off, I want to apologize for this desk being so messy. It is a craft desk, but it's a little messier than I want it to be. So I just wanted to say that, because normally I still have my stuff all organized, but I got a lot going on. But I want to go ahead and get this video out. Today I am participating in a challenge. It's called the hashtag You Inspire Me challenge, and this challenge is being hosted by the beautiful the Glamorous Penny Pincher and Shell from Shell's Glam Home. And what they have asked us to do is something that I've been doing lately anyway, is to create a project from one of your recreate a project from someone here on YouTube that has inspired you. And what I'm going to be recreating is the perfume bottle wall decor that I have already done before. And the person that inspired me is Dazzling Designs with Denise. I made several, and I insert a picture for anyone who hadn't seen them. And what they have asked us to do is use the hashtag You Inspire Me in our title. I've done that. I mentioned their names in the video, the host, and I also will be linking their channels in the description box, and I'll use the hashtag You Inspire Me whenever I share my pictures, and of course I'm gonna have fun. So the item that I'm going to be using is this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, a little round mirror from the Dollar Tree, and this black mirror from the Dollar Tree that I purchased last year. And I will be using these tower blocks and some temporary paint glue that I've been had from the Dollar Tree, forgot I had. And I'll be using my glue stick, my glue gun, glue stick, and this glue. So I'm gonna get everything all assembled and I'll be back. What I've done is taken my mirror apart. This is the mirror and this is the backing. And what I do is I use this backing for my wall decor. So I'm going to trace this out and cut around here so that you will be able to hang your mirror. So you can still hang it just like you hang the other mirror. So I'm going to cut this out and I'll be back. Okay, so I got the back cut down the side so it'll fit the back of the mirror and you'll be able to hang it. So I'm going to put that over to the side. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just put me some diamond wrap around this mirror, the little small mirror. And I'm not going to use the hot glue because the hot glue doesn't dry clear. I like to use my Duro all-purpose glue that I get from the Dollar Tree. I don't care for E6000. It takes too long for it to cure, for it to hold. So I like this. This holds in about 10 minutes. When you put it on, you let it get a little tacky, and then you apply your project, your whatever you're trying to glue, your material is what I want to say. So anyway, I'm gonna glue some diamond wrap on this first. And what I've done with the blocks, in Denise's video, she painted her blocks black. I painted mine silver. Since I'm going to be using this silver diamond wrap, I just thought that would be a better match, and plus I already had some silver. So I'll be doing that. So I'll be back. Now what I'll do now is glue all these blocks around. And I only painted one side because that's the side that's going to be showing on the side through the diamond wrap. So I glue all these around, and I have my diamond wrap on my small mirror, letting it dry. So I got my blocks all glued down, but you see you can't get a perfect circle because the blocks are rectangular shaped and the mirror is square, so you have to put it right on the end to try to form you a circle. So So that's what I did. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the blocks. So what I'll do now is go ahead and glue the backing onto it. That way I'll know where I need to put the top of the perfume bottle. I'll put it on top of this one. So that's what I do. Now I'm gonna add some diamond wrap. My perfume bottle, I found that it's easy to go ahead and make your top before you put the diamond wrap on. That way when I wrap the mirror, I can wrap the bottle and all, and it'll be all one piece. I learned that the hard way from making some of the other ones. But anyway, that's the that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna use some hot glue and add some diamond wrap, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. End result, of course, I need to clean the mirrors. You can see my fingerprints on there, but that's okay. So this is the one in the middle is one that I made previously in another video. So thank you to Dazzling Designs with Denise for giving me this inspiration, and also a thank you to the Glamorous Penny Pincher and Shell from Shell's Glam Home for coming up with this fun challenge. So this is going to conclude my video. I have created some decorative wall mirrors shaped like perfume bottles. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love and encourage you. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. And I will have a link to the playlist in the description box also, along with these two beautiful ladies' channel. So go check it out. Thank y'all and have a nice day.